In this video, I will show you step by step how you can earn thousands of dollars online without showing your face and without recording anything using short videos. So watch the video carefully until the end. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. First channel I want to show you is posting the YouTube shorts that we will be using. According to Social Blade, if they make money from ads, they will make about $2 million or actually $30 million a year, so roughly $2 million a month, because they get 600 million hits every 30 days. If a little scroll down, they get almost 21 million hits a day. 20 million people watch YouTube shorts every day and don't show their face, and they don't record anything with the camera. So this is the first sample channel. Now unfortunately it started 6 years ago, so it took a long time to get there. But like I said, since you can't monetize them with ads, you have to use an alternative monetization option that will show you that I can actually potentially make you more money. Now the channel I'm going to show you as an example OX is not one of the channels that according to Social Blade earns $92,000 per month in other income, and once again that's not true. I'm going to show you how you can make money doing this, but you can see that they are basically just taking highlights of clips from other TV shows of various sporting events where it's a basketball game, just removing the highlights from it and even the previous episodes. All they do is once again they take highlights from different events, from different sporting events, from different games, also from different TV shows. So I'm going to show you how you can do that, and then how can you actually monetize a channel like this to make money. They literally start in 2021. Actually they create an account at the end of June. They went from trolling to 50,000 subscribers in about 2 months, then 100,000 subscribers in 3.5 months or something like that, and then at the end of the same year they had 150,000 subscribers, and so far they have 593,000 subscribers and 813 million views. They arrive in this channel. How can you really make money from these YouTube photos? And later we show you how to create them without showing your face and without wanting to go somewhere. We can download other personal videos, but I will show you how to create thoroughly unique content without a camera. Even you can make money from a community tab because you advertise on these YouTube companies and there's no description box and people can click on your link or whatever, but because you're growing a channel quickly, reaches hundreds of thousands of subscribers, you can start posting from posts and actually earn a lot of money that way. For example, they posted these two and got about 300,000 and 400,000 votes. So probably over 100,000 people saw the from post, and just imagine with this from post you advertise something, literally advertise some kind of offer and solicitation put your affiliate link in there, and if tens of thousands of people see it, you can earn a lot of money. For example, one of the best things you can do is to register on some marketplace like CPA Group, where they basically give you offers to advertise where people don't even have to buy anything. They just have to something their email addresses. And this way you get paid. People don't even have to buy anything or spend money. So you can share your link on those forum posts and get people to sign up and make money from it. Instead, so you can basically monetize YouTube community and crop your channel with YouTube Shorts is much easier than long content. Now, how can you actually create YouTube Short without showing your face? Well, you can just search like different football, basketball or golf tournaments, like whatever. So any TV show or any football game or a sport that you can think about, you find it on YouTube and try to find something that has the potential to go viral or something that's kind of trending right now, and then basically copy the link to one of the videos and download it. There are various sites through which you can download YouTube video. Then what you need to do is you want to go to a site like canva.com. It's kind of like a free video editing software. You can make your own videos from any other software you're interested in. Then choose the size of the short video, which is 1920 and 1080, and choose your video. You select completely to include the entire page. We cut the important parts and make sure that it's less than 60 seconds, and then after finishing the work we will download it and upload it to our YouTube channel. In the same way, you can create many channels with this technique and use different methods to earn money online. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.